very old people are the father and mother of Mr. Bucket. Those two very old people on the other side of the bed are the father and mother of Mrs. Bucket. This is Mr. Bucket and this is Mrs. Bucket. The small boy standing right there is Charlie Bucket, their only son.
Here you go, Grandpa Joe. Cabbage soup.
Every day, nothing but cabbage soup. Cheer me up, Charlie. Tell me, what's the chocolate news?
Well, Wonka's got a new bar out.
Quadruple or mallow based?
Mallow with flavor shifters.
Flavor shifters? My!
Hey, Papa. What's the latest cap cut?
1,249,670 perfectly installed toothpaste caps.
Think I might work in the toothpaste factory one day?
Let's hope not, Charlie.
Now, what kind of positive thinking is that? Charlie's gonna work for Mr. Wonka making chocolate bars.
Now, Grandpa Joe, don't go filling the boy's head with dreams of candy.
Charlie's from a long line of distinguished candymen.
And women.
But Wonka hasn't had anyone since Rocco Spy stole his candy balloon recipe.
Wonka was so angry, he gathered all the workers saying, "I'm sorry, but you all must go home." Then he closed the gates of the factory forever.
But Mr. Wonka still makes candies. I can smell them on my way to school.
Yes, but no one goes in and no one comes out. Shadow workers.
Maybe the undead, who knows?
Grandpa Joe, you're gonna give Charlie nightmares again.
What did she say? She's making bathtub gin. We're playing gin?
I'm in.
Charlie, run out and see if anyone's done with the newspaper.
Hey, Dad, but you'll have to feed Grandpa George.
Here you are, Dad. Here's your cabbage soup.
I thought we were playing gin.